Hi guys, my name is Souhaib. I'm from Morocco. I'm 23 years old. I started trading since 2017, my first year of college. I started watching YouTube videos about trading, talking about support and resistance, candlesticks patterns, trend lines, but with no consistency for 3 years. Just blowing accounts. I blow 2 accounts or 3 accounts. That was so frustrating. I was losing hope. I was unhappy until one day I watched WB trading video talking about mechanical trading. I was hooked. I bought one of his strategies. Then the first month I was profitable. The second, the third, I was consistency. I was finding consistency for the first time. Then I decided to take FTMO challenge. I succeeded the FTMO challenge. That for me was mind blowing because I succeeded the proprietary trading challenge. Then I'm now in the verification phase. I'm confident that I'm gonna pass. WB trading strategies help you with your psychology because if just follow the rules and set and forget approach. William helped me a lot in my trading. He is changing my life, my family life. Just if you're doubting it, just go for it. You will be amazed with his work. Thank you.